Hello and okay. Hi and welcome to Davai Fitness. Today we are going to play with those balls of soup. Where do you see a ball of soup? Where's a ball of soup there? There is a bowl of hot, delicious soup. Do you have one? Alright, for you folks at home, prepare a bowl of delicious soup and let's do it. Are you ready? Let's start. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Look at the soup. 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Not spill one drop of this delicious, amazing soup. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done there. Are you ready for 2 balls of soup simultaneously? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Could do better. All right. Where are these balls of soup? Hop! Nothing. A miracle. We've been doing miracles with you since the beginning, and we will continue to the very end. Davai Fitness. See you next time. Okay. Yeah.